everybody, welcome back to another episode of Mr. Dooley's. We're not finding out what Mr. Dooley is up to today, but this woodpecker, we got a woodpecker today. Yeah, Woody Woodpecker. Whoops, he flew away. Where did he go? Oh, there he is. Yeah. Woody Woodpecker. She's probably looking for food. They're usually like bugs or maybe water, nesting material. Sorry folks for the sideways video. I didn't notice I was holding my camera phone the wrong way. It's definitely a she, because I remember the male ones, they have red stripes versus the females that have black stripes. She is definitely a girl, yeah, and she's a beautiful one at that. One of them one year made a home in one of the trees in the backyard. It was so incredible to watch, the way he kept pecking away, peck, and throwing the sawdust out. It was so cool. Made a beautiful den in the trunk of a tree. Woodpecker! It's Woody Woodpecker. Good luck, pal. You can't penetrate that. It's so strong. It's so tough. You need a chainsaw to even cut a leaf off. What a beautiful voice. Just love the sound she makes. Aw, hi beautiful.